You rely on your point of sale system to keep your in-person business running smoothly. So what do you do if you find that you need to change your point of sale system? If you're a QuickBooks POS user, that question is probably top of mind right now. In October 2023, Intuit is ending support for its POS product, leaving a lot of its customers wondering where to go next to ensure their business remains uninterrupted. So in this video, we'll go over some options for your next steps. The good news? Webgility will continue to work for you, no matter which option you choose. If you use QuickBooks POS and are either unwilling or unable to change your POS system in the near future, you can still continue to use it. Just be aware that it being unsupported means that if you run into an issue, you'll likely need to spend a lot of time on community boards or fixing it yourself. If you're comfortable with that reality, you can continue to use QuickBooks POS to probably the same effectiveness, or at least continue to use it while you migrate your data and processes to a new system. However, you will need to find a new payment processor to continue using QuickBooks POS. If sticking with that no support option isn't right for you, fortunately there are plenty of choices. What you end up choosing greatly depends on the type of business you run and your budget for things like hardware or setup costs. Other factors to consider are things like payment processing, compliance, chargeback fees, and chip card compatibility. Let's go down the list and look at the benefits and uses of each. If you're an e-commerce seller that uses Shopify as your online sales platform, Shopify POS is an obvious choice for many. Shopify has an impressive list of features when you upgrade your Shopify plan to include its POS Pro features. Like most POS options, you'll get access to staff, inventory, and customer management, along with reporting and omni-channel fulfillment and return functionality. It integrates with QuickBooks Online and Desktop and is a great option for e-commerce sellers. Hardware is sold directly from Shopify in bundles or a la carte and gives you a number of options depending on how far you want to take it. You can pick up a retail kit that includes a POS station and card reader, and even get Shopify POS Go, which acts as a mobile POS system and can double as a barcode scanner to make inventory easier. As far as the software pricing goes, you can opt for monthly with a current price of $89 per month, or get a 10% discount for going yearly. Remember that this pricing is on top of any additional Shopify plan you have for your storefront. If you're not using Shopify, you will have to purchase a Shopify plan, as there's no option to use it as a POS system alone. Webgility also integrates with Square, which is a near household name for those familiar with the retail space, used by not only retail companies, but small businesses and restaurants as well. Square's POS offering is a straightforward solution, giving access to contactless payments, online orders, a number of tools and utility integrations, and its own suite of hardware to be used. You'll have access to reporting and other features through the Square app directly, but the best part about it is the pricing. Square gives you a lot of flexibility with its pricing structure. The POS functionality itself is free to use and only requires that you have a chip reader and access to the app. They will give you the first card reader for free, with each additional costing just $10. They also offer payment plans for their hardware, keeping that initial overhead cost of starting low. Clover is another notable option for those that are looking to scale their business and have access to great support and utility. They offer solutions for just about any type of physical business, from retail to dining and professional services. Like Square, they offer the ability to pay monthly for your hardware and have a number of different options to suit your budget. Where Square and Shopify focus on simple hardware, Clover gives you access to a number of premium options as well as more budget-friendly tools. Start with handheld or go all out with a 14-inch terminal and a matching customer-facing 7-inch touchscreen. The software is a monthly subscription, with the payment around $15 monthly for retail businesses and scales up to $75 a month for a full-service restaurant capability. They also offer a no hardware plan for those that don't do any in-person transactions for just $9.99 a month. All in all, Clover is a great option for those that are in the service industry or want a more premium experience with their hardware and can justify the budget for it. Webgility is also in the process of adding an integration with Lightspeed POS. With around 9% of the total POS market share, Lightspeed offers a number of plans to suit the different stages of your business. Opt to go brick and mortar only with their lean plan, or bulk up with their advanced plan to get access to things like advanced reporting and loyalty programs. You can buy bundles of equipment for either iPad or desktop setups and individual pieces of hardware a la carte. The pricing for hardware isn't currently readily available on their website, but there is a form that you can reach out to Lightspeed directly through and order whatever you need. Lightspeed has highly rated customer service and product reviews and will likely come with everything you need to get started. Some other honorable mentions for POS include restaurant-specific systems like Toast, Touch Bistro, and SkyTab, or other systems we don't currently integrate with like Lavu, Helsim, and Revel Systems. Ultimately, you should choose a provider that appeals to either your budget or processes. Payment processing fees are another big part of choosing a system or service, though. Here's a brief breakdown of native fees, meaning you're going directly through the system's provider. Be sure to research third-party payment processing fees if you plan on using one that is not native. Lastly, if you're currently a Webgility customer and on QuickBooks POS, you'll want to make sure you update your plan, as they're going away as well. If you'd like help changing your subscription, feel free to reach out directly to our team by chat or by phone. For more detailed information on the fees and systems we discussed in this video, click the blog link in the description, and don't forget to follow the channel for more on all things e-commerce.